Hey Awesome Doodle fans, I have some sugar babies here for you. Congratulations, your puppies are 4 weeks old. Yep, 4 weeks old. Everyone is growing and playing. Everyone's getting lots and lots of love and attention. Everybody's doing so well. Whoa. Oh my.
A puppy showdown.
Puppy showdown. So yeah, I just wanted to show you how well your puppies are doing.
Be careful.
So one of the new things we did this week is we put a water bowl in the pen. So they were learning how to drink from that.
She's like stretching like a hot dog. That's
Yeah.
so funny. Oh, are you okay? Oh, hi, cutie. Whoa, do it back away and they're like this and like
Yeah.
this and they're like come
Yeah.
for me.
They're still getting used to their legs.
They love their legs.
Yeah.
They're happy they have them now, so they can walk and fight. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Everybody's doing great
Oh my
though.
goodness.
They love you, Vivi.
I know! They're like coming after me.
Well, you know what? Maybe this is a good time we could try their mash.
Yeah, it's right. Put it right there.
Okay, I'll get the mash, and we're gonna put it down.
I can get out and get it because you're holding the camera.
No, sweetie. No.
Since they're all over here, they're gonna smell it.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna do some mash. This is
Goodness.
usually right about 4.5 weeks. We will give it to them. They have not had this mash before, so let's give it a try and see what they do.
First time.
Okay, there we go. Let's see if what they do.
One's trying it.
Look at
He
him.
likes it. Come on. Come over here.
So this is the Purina Pro Plan Puppy Saver.
They all like it. It's so cool.
They
This
do.
one won't eat it.
Yeah, they'll figure it out.
They'll get used to it. It's really mushy. It's like when it gets wet and then sogs up. And then
So what we do is we soak the puppy food in water and it just
then
gets
it's
real soft.
yeah, for like overnight, and then you like pound it, and then it gets all these like little flakes.
Yeah, it gets nice and soft for them to chew it. And look at them go. Oh my gosh, they love it.
Yeah.
This is the first time that they've had mash.
Yeah, and they love it. They've only had milk. That's all they
Yep,
had.
they've been just having,
Milk.
yep, the tiki milk. That's it, which they love. They love. Looks like they're gonna
They
like
love it.
this too. Look at them.
So that's gonna be their drink, and this is gonna be their food.
Yeah, they will still, yep, Sugar Bear will still feed them.
Yeah. Oh, buddy, there's one right there. There's one back there. Is this Opal or that's Opal?
Look at them.
Now all
Well,
three.
there you have it, Awesome Doodle fans. Puppies like their mash. The
This
verdict
the
is
first
in.
time. It's their first time they had this, and it tastes so good. Probably. But it doesn't taste good for humans.
All right, we will see you guys next week.